This tutorial shows you how to add a contractor on the fly using the VuSpex AC Inspector portal. This feature allows inspectors to begin a virtual inspection with a contractor that has not downloaded the VuSpex app or created a VuSpex account at the time of the inspection. This provides ultimate flexibility when you want to begin an inspection with a contractor or homeowner at a moment's notice, or if the contractor was unable to get the app installed in time for the inspection. Rather than call them on the phone or reschedule, we created a way to start the inspection without the contractor having to do anything beforehand. Let's begin. I'm signed into the VuSpex AC Inspector portal. I just searched for a permit with the search bar, and now I'm at the Permit Details screen. First, click on the Inspect Now button. The Inspect Now window appears on screen. Click on Step 1, select Inspections to choose your inspection group and types for this inspection. I'm going to choose PMT Residential from the drop-down list of options. Then I'm going to select Water Heater for my inspection. When finished, click on the Submit button to move to the next step. Alright, I can see the inspection group and type are displayed on the left side of the screen, and they are correct. So I'm going to move to Step 2, Who are you calling? Click inside the search field and enter a phone number with the area code first. Now click the Inspect Now button. Click OK on the window prompt. Next, enter the contractor's first and last name, then click OK to proceed. Finally, go back to Step 2 and click in the search window. Type the name of the newly added contractor in the search field and watch for the autocomplete window to display the name and phone number of the contractor you just added on the fly. Select the new contractor name by clicking on it, then click the Inspect Now button to begin the virtual inspection with the contractor. You've done it. We showed you how to add a new contractor on the fly in the VuSpex AC Inspector portal. If you have questions or need assistance, go to VuSpex.com/support for help.